Question number 20. A proton, electron and an alpha particle are at rest. Okay, you have a proton, you have an electron, you have an alpha particle. Okay. Which particle has the smallest magnitude of ratio of a charge to mass Q by M, which is small, and largest magnitude of the ratio of charge to mass Q by M large. Okay, this is what you need to find. Okay. Now let us write down for each one of them. So if E is the electronic charge, then this could be written as E by M, taking M is the mass of the proton. And here what will happen, this will be, charge would be E minus E actually, we need magnitude, we'll put E itself. And then M would be mass of the proton and divided by 2000, because mass of this one would be 2000 times lesser than this. So you will get this as 2000 times E by M here. And for an alpha particle, this would be, total charge is 2E and the total mass is 4M. So this should be E by 2M here. Okay. Now which one has a large, smallest E by 2M? This has a large, smallest 2M. Alpha particle, so this goes away. And which has the largest E by M? Electron. Electron, alpha and E by electron. Answer is E.